Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have the latest version of the Amazon Fire Stick for review. And of course this is the 2019 edition. And this is the latest one you can find on Amazon. And I've picked this up and just to show you what's inside of the package. Now of course I've done the older edition on the channel. You can also check that out if you can find that in our past videos. But of course this is the latest version, alright? So this one has the cool features. Now this is the regular version. It's just the regular Amazon Fire Stick. Now, as you might know, this is a way of making your TV smart, even if you don't have a smart TV features. And even if you do have the smart TV features, it's still a good idea to pick it up. It comes in this plastic container or plastic packaging. And of course, you can see the product on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. So I'm just going to free this from its packaging. Alright, so once we have gotten that out of the way, you can see the product itself. Now it comes in this beautifully presented box, like in what I'm seeing so far. So as you can see here, it says Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote, and it shows you the various channels that you can access if you have the service. It also shows you that it has Alexa voice assistant built in. Now of course it says Amazon here, and it gives you a product review. This product is from Amazon. You can check it out in the description in case you want to buy. Now the fun thing about this guy, it retails about for $40 thereabout, but if you wait until a special comes up, you can get it for $30, which is quite a nice deal. That's $10 off. It shows you the basic features here, what's included. It says the second gen Fire TV Stick. So I've also done the first gen, as I said. It has a second gen voice remote. It comes with 2 AA batteries, a power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender cable, and what's needed, you'll need high-speed internet, which is a given, with Wi-Fi, and of course you'll need HDTV with HDMI input. So you need at least one HDMI input and your Wi-Fi access. Now of course on the back here, I will not be bothered to read all of this. So in the interest of time, you can actually pause and read this for yourself. But just in case, it does give you a run through of the product in terms of what you can do, and it gives you the features and breakdown. And of course guys, I'm just going to show you what's inside. It shows you here that you can actually pull on this tab. It's brand new, never been opened. So I'm going to remove this tab and then get to the product on the inside. Alright, so the plastic seal, relatively easy to remove. I've removed the seal. Once you do that, you can have access. So as you can see here guys, simple matter of removing tab and then getting to the contents. Okay, surprising, great presentation so far. Like the velvet black casing on the inside. Notice that everything is packaged neatly and nicely for you. Of course, kind of reminiscent of Apple products. And of course, if I can figure out the way they want this to be open, so I'm going to pull this tab here. I'll pull this tab over here, and it opens up. Wow, great presentation. So let me just give you an overall view guys. So as you can see here, everything unfolds. Everything is presented in this cool, neat packaging style format. As I said, reminiscent of Apple products. So let's get into what's inside. So they do run you through the Fire Stick, and it gives you this welcome notification. It shows you to connect everything up, which is quite simple. You're going to attach the power cable here for additional power. And then you're going to plug that into the wall outlet. This part is going to go into the TV. You have the remote. Make sure the batteries are installed by removing the back. And of course, there's this adapter. So it's basically a breakout adapter. So in case you cannot reach all the way to the back of the TV, so connect to the back of the TV. And then of course, you can connect this to this section here, which will create that dongle that will hang from the back of your TV, which is way better for picking up signals. The power adapter is associated with the cable. It's going to deliver power. It shows you basically the same thing here, quite straightforward. And of course, run you through the remote and what you can do. You can pause this as well in case you need the information, and it shows you top troubleshooting tips at the back here as well. Nice of Amazon again. Now it introduces you, it says say it, play it, and it runs you through the features. I don't know if there are any special codes in here, so I won't open this up. All right, don't think so. As you can see here, it gives you some quick commands. It runs you through the information here to show you what's possible with the product. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to close this off, And of course, very nice. Here are the batteries. We have Amazon branded batteries. Okay, these should be good. It's nice when a product developer actually include these things. There's a small adapter to power the Fire Stick. Nice. Again, I'm gonna place this back. Alright, here we have the remote itself. Now check out this remote, guys. It's inside of this packaging. I like this one. It's a big improvement over the older version. I'll show you the older one. Alright guys, so check out the older one. This is the older one. This is the newer one. Alright, so this is the second gen. This is the first gen. Check out the first gen, guys. First of all, the newer gen comes with a power option. There is a speaker option as well. And of course, the center control knob looks the same. This one looks more pronounced on the newer one. Over here, we have back, same, home. I think that's menu option. There's skip forward. There's skip back. There's pause. But of course, additionally, there is the options of volume up, volume down, and of course, there's a mute option. Now, personally, again, you notice there's the smiley logo, which is from Amazon. Out here, you see the Amazon name. All right. See, now that I'm familiar with this, I can tell you right away. Alright guys, so seeing that I'm very experienced with the first generation version, I can tell you that these are very welcome upgrades. For example, the power button, that's a needed upgrade. The mute option, the volume up and down, and so on. So these are great additions. I love that about the product so far. And of course, Amazon did a solid job with this. And I love the improvements overall. So guys, thumbs up to Amazon for the noticeable improvements. You'll also notice that the newer edition is much smaller. The back is pretty much the same. It shows you how to remove this on here. It shows you just basically to hold both thumbs, push, and it will slide off. Simply install the batteries, which is good. On this side, guys, we have the USB cable. This is micro USB. Of course, we're looking for, in the future, USB Type-C, but of course, micro works just fine for most cases or stuff that you'll need to do. So I'm going to put this back. And of course, there's one more small item right here, and this is the breakout adapter here. And of course, this allows you to extend the HDMI. So all you got to do is place this at the back of the TV, project the HDMI out. And of course, you'll place the device into this. You can also place the device directly in the TV. The choice is yours. And of course, that sums up everything. It's a small package, but that's what makes up the Amazon Fire TV Stick 2019, or the second generation of the Fire Stick. So all of this comes in this nice packaging, as you can see here. And again, they have done a nice job. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Links are below. You can purchase the Fire Stick. You can also purchase any other item that you have seen here in the video. As always, guys, this is your tech guy, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you another cool product you can purchase from Amazon. Alright guys, bye until next time.